Hey there, creators! Did you know that your photos, videos, and illustrations could make money for you while you sleep? That's right. Platforms like Shutterstock let you cash in on your creativity. Imagine getting paid every time someone downloads your picture of a cute cat or a stunning sunset. Feels like a dream, right? Well, buckle up, because today I'm going to show you how to make money with Shutterstock in a fun and simple way. Before we dive in, hit that subscribe button, because if you're not learning to turn your hobbies into income streams, you're definitely missing out. And we don't want that, do we? 1. Become a Shutterstock contributor. First things first, sign up as a contributor on Shutterstock. This is where the magic starts. Upload your photos, videos, or illustrations. And every time someone downloads your work, you earn a royalty. Fun hook. Think of it as your work going on a world tour while you chill at home. Who doesn't want a celebrity portfolio? Pro tip. Focus on high-demand categories like lifestyle, business, and nature. Even seemingly random things like a picture of your messy desk can sell, because stock buyers are unpredictable like that. 2. The power of niche content. Don't just upload any photo. Niche content sells better. Think less generic sunset and more dog in a superhero cape at the park. Humor hook. Because someone, somewhere, might need that exact photo for their blog titled Superdogs to the Rescue. Pro tip. Research trends on Shutterstock to see what's popular. Seasonal content like holiday-themed visuals can be a goldmine. 3. Sell illustrations and vector art if photography isn't your thing. Try selling vector art or illustrations. Businesses are always on the lookout for unique graphics. Fun hook. Who knew your doodles in math class would one day pay the bills? Pro tip. Create versatile designs like icons, logos, and patterns. Platforms like Canva can help you polish your work. 4. Upload footage and motion graphics. Did you know Shutterstock doesn't just sell photos? Upload video clips or motion graphics, and you'll earn even more. Think drone shots, time-lapses, or short clips of cityscapes. Humor hook. Basically, become the Spielberg of stock footage, minus the Oscars, but with a steady paycheck. Pro tip. Make your clips short and loopable. Buyers love reusable content. 5. Keywords are king. Let's talk keywords, because even the most stunning photo won't sell if people can't find it. Use detailed, accurate keywords when uploading your work. Fun hook. It's like SEO, but for your creative brain. Coffee, laptop, productivity, writer's block. Boom, bestseller. Pro tip. Shutterstock has a keyword suggestion tool. Use it. Add at least 20-30 relevant tags to increase discoverability. 6. Consistency is key. The more you upload, the more you'll earn. Consistency is what separates hobbyists from real moneymakers. Humor hook. Rome wasn't built in a day, and your Shutterstock empire won't be either. But hey, at least you don't need bricks. Pro tip. Set a weekly goal to upload a certain number of photos or videos. It keeps you on track and boosts your portfolio. 7. Collaborate and collaborate with other creatives to diversify your portfolio. If you're a photographer, team up with a model or designer. If you're an illustrator, try new styles or themes. Fun hook. Teamwork makes the dream work, and in this case, the dream is passive income. Pro tip. Take online courses to improve your skills. Better content equals higher downloads equals more money. Simple math, folks. And there you have it. 7 fun ways to make money with Shutterstock. Whether you're a pro photographer, a casual doodler, or just someone with a smartphone and a knack for timing, Shutterstock has something for you. Hit that subscribe button right now, because let's face it, learning how to turn creativity into cash is way cooler than scrolling through memes all day. Let me know in the comments what you're most excited to upload, photos, videos, or those epic doodles. Let's get that Shutter money flowing.